So in today's video, we will be doing a cool interior mod that really changes the look of your car. Because all of these chargers basically look the same. Some models, depending on which one you get, has a different bezel and stuff, but they all look the same. So to switch it up, we will be installing the white gauge faces on here, which should make it pop a lot. I like white gauges. Should be good because everything in here is kind of dark, so then those white gauges should look nice in here. And it's pretty simple to do. They give you some instructions here on the back. You can open up and look, but you basically just pull this off, those 4 screws holding this in. You pull these out, pull the cover off, take the faceplate off, faceplate back on, and then just put it all back together. Pretty easy. So today we'll be doing that. You can see it with the lights on now. So it's black with white lighted letters. So it's pretty simple. If you have some plastic pry tools, you just want to pry all the way around here. They got clips on the inside, and then this whole front fascia here should pop off. All right, so I got it off. So you can see here, each of these are going to be clips that you got to pry on. Luckily, I only broke one clip. Oh, I only broke one clip for me. Not bad. So now, here, down here, you got a Phillips head. You take those 4 off, and then this will pop right off. So once the 4 screws are out, you can pull this out. Like so. And then there's one plug here, one connection that you have to unplug, and then this will come out. So now that you have this out, you have to separate it to get down to the faces of it. So you see these, you just gotta pry these up a little bit, and then this will push out. And you do that all the way around on these. And then these two will separate right here to give you access to the gauges. And once you pull this off here, I'll clean it because it's probably a little bit dirty. But that gives you access to your gauges right here. And it gets held on by a little piece of adhesive behind it. So you just got to mark them so you can put them back where they belong. And then once you mark them, you turn this clockwise or counterclockwise to pull them off. And then you can pull these off. Then you can put on the new ones. So now that I marked them, you turn them counterclockwise. It gets lifted up like so. This is that one. Just like that. So then now these guys, you can just pull off. You can see a little bit of adhesive there. That's it. And once you pull this sticker off, you can see the adhesive on there. And now you can just stick it on. They give you this dial to go off of, so you can't mess it up. Once you get the gauges back in and these needles, you can put that back on and put everything back in. You can see already they look pretty sick. So now that you have it back here all together, you want to plug this back in, push it on, and put those 4 bolts back in. All right, once you get them back in, you get the bolts on. It's not moving. Now you can put this face plate back on, and you're all done. Yeah, you see that just changes the look in here so much.